You must be joking. This better not be true. Kaizer Chiefs are reportedly interested in 31-year-old Durban City midfielder Achini Chotwana. And the other news, Kaizer Chiefs are willing to offer 10 million for Lwandile Mabuya from Richards Bay. Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is your latest Kaizer Chiefs transfer news. Let's start with Achini Chotwana. Mate, what business do we have with a 31-year-old playing in the Motsepe Foundation? I'll say it again. This better not be true. I have no issues with signing a 31-year-old player or a player from the Motsepe Foundation League. But if we are going for a 31-year-old, it has to be someone who's been playing the highest level for quite a long time. Achini Chotwana has only played 17 games in the Betway Premiership for Chippa United. If we are going for a player that's playing in the Motsepe Foundation League, it has to be a player who's under 28 at least, because he may need some time to adapt to the highest level. There's a huge difference between the Motsepe Foundation League and the Betway Premiership, and especially moving to a team like Kaizer Chiefs. That's why Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns usually, after they sign a player from the lower league, they send him out on loan in order to gain experience in the highest level. And another question I have, is this guy better than our current midfielders? Because if we're going to sign a player, it should be a player who's going to take us to the next level. It should bring something that we don't have currently. You know, if this is how we are going to do business, then we are going to complain every season with the lack of quality players. The guy is turning 32 in November. How does that make any business sense? Now let's move to Lwandile Mabuya. Kaizer Chiefs are reportedly ready to offer around 10 million for Lwandile Mabuya. Mate, this is a daylight robbery. We are being ripped here. With all due respect to the guy, but how on earth will he be worth 10 million? I mean, he has not even played for the national team. I'm not saying if you haven't played for the national team, you are a bad player. No, he's not a bad player. But then, what raised his value to 10 million? And I don't understand why we would be open to paying this amount of money for a right back. We are renewing Riff Rossler's contract. And I don't believe Lwandile Mabuya is better than Riff Rossler. I don't believe he joins Kaizer Chiefs and becomes a starter. We also have Dylan Solomons who offers us something different. The right back position shouldn't be a priority. The last thing we want is to spend 10 million on someone who's going to be a second choice right back. Mate, this is mad business from Kaizer Chiefs. Achini Chotwana's age is a deal breaker. Lwandile Mabuya's price tag is a deal breaker. I'll say it again. This better not be true. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll be back for more.